Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Good morning, guys. How are you doing? So that was our stay in this villa, Eco Villa, and it's time to say goodbye, right, sayang?
Alright, so now it's time to say goodbye to this room. And we will go to a special place today.
Special place.
Yeah, and you will see later on.
Okay.
Still exploring Ubud.
Let's go. Alright, guys, so we are next to the elephants, and this is before this is really the best park of the elephants around the world, with so many certificates.
Yes.
Including National Geographic, Discovery Channel.
Yeah.
You can Google about that.
So yes, so now we are in Masan Elephant Park. Like, this is the elephant sanctuary in Bali. So this is the best place when you see how the elephant really well treated in Bali.
Exactly, and this is the rescued elephants from
Yes.
Sumatra Island in Indonesia. And this,
you know, I heard that they just got two newborn baby for this year. Two newborn babies. It's called Arjun and Krishna. So we can
Yes.
see later on.
and we will
Yeah.
see how it's. Alright, guys, we will show you guys around how it looks like. It's very beautiful.
One you will find in American Museum.
Alright, guys, so this is the replica of the skeleton of the mammoth, but in the 1:1, right? It's exactly the size how it's supposed to be. And check this out about this one. It's so big. And this is like a small museum actually about the elephants and stuff, historical one. And this is the skeleton of the elephant. Unfortunately, it's not real, but it's the replica 1:1. And of course, this place is super famous. So many famous people used to be here. I will show you some pictures around. Super cool place. Guys, these elephants, Sumatran elephants, they are very close to be like no more in the world, because in Sumatra they are just suddenly killing them, and it's approximately 20 years until they gonna disappear from the world. So probably that's gonna be only one of very few places around the world when you can see Sumatran elephants in the future. So sad.
So here there will be a big fish. Ooh, wow! Look at this one. What is the name, Pak?
Namanya Sisrek, ya, Arapaima gigas, jenisnya Arapaima. Namanya
Shrek. Check this out, it's so huge. This is real fish. She's not moving because she's lazy, but she's real fish.
Napi makanannya, Pak?
ikan lele,
Ikan lele?
sama tuna juga bisa.
Oh my god! You know, Damian before saying it didn't move at all, but when I just stand around 2 or 3 seconds and then he moved. Oh my god! And he splashed on me. Oh dear.
He's moving.
Beautiful. Alright, so behind me, look at that. That's the mommy elephant, and then the little baby elephant. Like I told you, they have 2 newborn baby elephant. It's called, this one is called Krishna. Hi Krishna. Aww.
Oh.
Look at you. See? Oh, how beautiful they are.
Oh, such a cute.
Yeah, look at the baby Krishna. Look at you. Yeah.
Krishna.
Oh, Krishna is running.
Something happened. So the elephants was just rush to us, and then they just go to the other baby elephants over there, having fun. But I have a food for them, so.
Look at you.
Here we go. Take it.
Oh, you want to just... Oh.
Oh, for baby elephant is too big. Can you hear the sound?
Yes. So big. Yeah. Oh, look at you. Mau lagi ya? Mau lagi Pak? Kok bisa? Ya. Krishna. Krishna. Kalau baby elephant itu menyusui gimana, Pak?
Nah, ini dia.
Look at his hair.
Such a big one. Oh, look at that breastfeeding from there.
This. This. Diam.
Yeah. Berapa kilo sehari dia makan, Pak? 200 kilo.
200 kilo.
Wow, so they eat for one day 200 kilogram.
See? If you ever say I'm fat and I eat a lot, check this bad boy. 200 kilo a day. That's so cool, beautiful, isn't it? Can you hear the sound?
Ooh. Look at me. Ani. I'm in between.
Oh, nice. Good for thumbnail. Make it again.
Oh.
It's okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god, they are so huge. I didn't feel scared actually.
Really?
Yes, they are so huge.
Alright. Look like a passer. You see? They wanna eat. 1, 2. Hold on. Look. This is like 1 kilo per second. Look. Oh.
Yeah, so they eat 200 kilograms per day. Can you
Yeah.
imagine that?
Could you imagine?
Oh,
Pa, look.
beautiful.
This elephant, she don't even take one, she already asking for 5. Whoa, look.
Look at that.
They will eat me soon.
No, they are not eating human though.
I know, although baby also wanna give something to son, right?
Just give him a kiss.
Oh, you have already 3 eating people. Happy. so cute, right?
Yeah.
You eat a lot, yeah?
Hey, Krishna. Oh, he just wanna breastfeeding, I think. Yeah, look. I think he just wanna breastfeeding.
See, you have a lot of fun, Sunny.
Yeah. Oh, see it.
She took all from you.
He took all. Wow.
So this lovely elephants. This one is 45 years old, so it's quite old already, right? The other elephant is is 35 years old, and the baby is 6 months old. That's so cute, right?
Yeah.
Very nice
2
place.
more days will be the 6 months.
Oh, exactly. In next 2 days will be 6 months.
Ooh, children from? Look how fast he is. Look, it's like one and go. Look. So fast. Go. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Pagi Mas.
Hai Bapak.
Hey, how are you?
Look at them.
They also have three turtles, as you saw before. They coming from Galapagos.
Yes, so they have a turtle coming from Galapagos. It's beautiful.
7 years old approximately. I think 7 years old. Then they have it from the small baby turtles. So such a beautiful. These people are doing very great job, by the way. This is the gallery. They have many monuments. This one is super cool. Ganesh. Yeah, watch head. Ooh! Nice. I will show you guys around. That's the beautiful painting, by the way.
Alright, so I asked the guide how the elephant made, like, you know, making a baby, something like that. So, well, the elephant is very smart animal, you know, like we cannot put like female and male together and then they will mate, something like that. No, but the male or female elephant will choose their own partner, and if they like it, if he like it or if she like it, they will mate. It's like they need to fall in love. It's just like human.
Oh, that's such a cute, isn't it?
Yeah. So this is the elephant hoof
After lunch.
after so big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big
But
elephant.
it's not that smelly or something.
Yeah,
no.
it's not smelly. I stay
because
here.
Elephant they 100% vegetarian.
Ah.
So why no without smell?
Oh,
Oh,
that's
I
nice.
see.
Elephants vegetarian, so poo not smell.
Agak dekat kepalanya. Biar romantis.
Thank you.
Thank you. Right, I didn't have a coffee yet today, guys. Could you imagine that? So, if I'm already here in the place like this, obviously the restaurant is huge and empty, but because of no no people, but with the view of the elephants over there, it's so bright. Yeah, can't say no. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
You stressed?
It's beautiful place. So here they also have a restaurant, very big restaurant, and we decided to have a
Coffee. With the elephant in the background.
with the elephant. Nice.
Alright.
Alright, so this is how the beautiful elephant park in Ubud, in Masan Elephant Park. So we already walked around, and yeah, we also met the owner, the Nigel Mason, and his wife, and we talk a lot about how he
rescued the elephants from Sumatra and many stuff. So it's really recommended place, and they really have the best quality.
And the most important thing, they have the international certificate and award
From the experts of the animals and the elephants. And
welfare.
also
So
is the video from 2005 on National Geographic about the operation of rescue from Sumatra. And this is just a really cool place. And of course the beautiful small elephant, so cute, isn't it?
yes, so yeah, I think that's all for today.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, and then new vlog every day at 7 p.m. And
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and something new tomorrow, like always. See ya, guys.
bye.
Bye.